Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. I'm standing in front of a 2025 Kawasaki RIDGE Crew. We just installed the RYCO Street Legal kit on it. I wanted to do a walk around and show you a little bit about the kit. So with the RIDGE Crew, we've got one kit from RYCO available at this time. And as you can see, it turned out really good. With the RYCO kit, we utilize three 3/4 inch LEDs. They're used to provide those daytime running lights as well as the turn signals. Come on over on the inside and I'll show you a little bit about how it works. So with the RYCO kit, it does have a specific mount that's used to mount up to the column. Your turn signals are going to operate just like a car. Down will be left. You can see that we've installed those little indicator lights up on the dash, letting you know the turn signals are on. So you're not that guy driving down the road. And as you can see, those LEDs are plenty sufficient. They do pass all of the law requirements. You've got good view from the front as well as good view from the side. With the RYCO Street Legal kit, it also ties into the stock tail lights around the back, illuminating all of those bright LEDs at night. Looks super good, it looks factory. And it also comes with the license plate bracket that's used to mount up your license plate. And we do have that nice LED to illuminate your plate at night. Also with the RYCO Street Legal kit, you do have the ability to have the 4-way hazard function. You're gonna simply pull out on that red lever. All 4 corners are gonna illuminate. As we come around to the back, you can see you've got good visibility. Over on the front, looks awesome. The placement of this is a suggested idea for you. Anywhere you can drill a 3/4 inch round hole, you could place those lights. Just be very careful when you're going to drill those holes to make sure you're not going to be hitting anything behind. When it comes time to turn off the hazards, you can't push this red lever back in. You got to go up or down with the lever itself. Horn button is integrated into the end as well. Now with the RYCO kit, it's going to come with everything you need here in Utah to be street legal, with the exception of 2 mirrors. In Utah, you need to have 2 mirrors, one on each side of the driver. You can accomplish that with a left view and a right view, or a left view and a rear view. That's completely up to you, but I wanted to give you guys that first look. The RIDGE Crews are just starting to hit dealerships, and we've got the street legal kits in stock today, ready to ship out. Give us a call, 435-427-3338, or check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. We'll also post up in the description below where you can go on and place an order from the comfort of your own home today. For now, I'm out. A lot more Kawasaki RIDGE accessories to come. Have a good night, everybody.